Welcome back to another backtesting session. Let's do the backtesting of gold, but first we need to pick up some random dates. Giga calculator, this is what I'm going to use for picking up the random dates. So this time let's do 2024. Okay, but the problem is I don't know whether I have the data downloaded for 2024 or not. It's till 9 till the previous month. Okay, I guess I can do it. Okay, so let's do it from 2nd till 2024. No, 2024, and the month will be, let's do it 7. Okay, now I need the dates between February 2024 till the 7th month 2024. Okay, I need 4 dates and I will choose the date which will come on the second number. Okay, so let's pick up a random date, and the date is February 2 2024. Let's do February 2 2024. First we have to pick up gold from here. 2024 February 2. Was it the date? Okay, February. Okay, 22. It's 22. So let's write here 22. Change it to New York close. Spread will be fixed. Right here 1000. Type will be standard. Period will be N15. All set. Perfect. Let's start the simulation. First, let's do the settings. Load the template simulator. Okay, so first of all, we have to see what the 4-hour is doing. So by looking at the 4-hour, we can clearly see that, okay, this candle should wick down and then go up. Okay, so if this candle has to go up, we need to see some support formation on the 1-hour or on the 30-minute. Right, okay, the problem is I'm just at 0, so let's move on to first 8 o'clock. Right there, this is when I start trading. Pre-London timing, turn off the calendar. Okay, looking at the daily, we are pushing up. Looking at the 4-hour, yeah, I think this 4-hour candle can wick down and then push up to maybe retest these highs. Okay, maybe fill this wick and then potentially go up. That's the idea. So we need to see some support formation on the 30-minute. This is some sort of previous support area. Let's do it this way. So if I see some sort of support forming at this area, I would want to look for buys. And there's also another chance that this trend can wake up, break the low, and maybe tap this level easily. All right, so for our 30-minute, or if we do get a candle closure above this, then I'll look for buys. Okay, let's speed it up. Change the lots to risk. Okay, yeah, it tapped that level and the candle is gonna close. 15-minute candle closed bullish. Looking at the 4-hour is pushing up. 15-minute, yeah, can we take a buy right here? Can we? Yes, I think there's very high possibility that the next candle is going to continue pushing up. Let's take a buy right here. SL will go right there, take profit, maybe a pull there, and accept, and let's see what happens. Okay, it should maybe go down to create a bottom wick. Okay, we are pushing up. Let's slow it down a little bit. It's so fast, so fast. And we are making almost 1% here, but I still believe it can push up and retest these highs. Okay, so let's just let this trade running till our next resistance area. Okay, right there, I'm gonna do one thing. I'm gonna close full here. Should I close full or should I let it run? Yeah, there's a high possibility that it can go up. I think it would be better to hold this trade, yeah, and let it run, almost tapping the target. Okay, let's close full here. One trade made 2%. Okay, so one trade, it was very nice trade. Okay, let's move on to next day. Okay, we are pushing further up. Imagine I had held this trade. I would have made maybe 7-8% gain, but you know, it's good to just keep securing. Okay, the problem is I started from Wednesday, right? So today's Thursday, Friday. I have to do at least 5 days a week. I should have started from Monday, but anyway, now the simulation has started, so I can't rewind it from Monday. So let's forward it to 8 o'clock, and we are 8 o'clock. This is where the pre-London session starts. Looking at the 4-hour, okay, 4-hour candle closed bullish. It's very clear. I think we can push up. So if this candle has to push up, we need to see some support formation on the 30-minute, right? Like this candle can wick down and then break the high, maybe fill this wick or tap that level. Looking at the daily, okay, by looking at the daily, the previous candle closed bearish, but we are also rejecting this or this, this area. So it's not that clear, I would say. So I would stick to 4-hour, right? And I want to see some support formation on the 30-minute. Looking at the 30-minute, this is the resistance and this is the support. If I see some support formation on this area, maybe price will come down, create support here, and then I'll take a buy. That's the idea, but we'll see how the market presents the candles, and then I'll make the decision accordingly. Till then, it's just waiting. We are pushing up. If this candle has to go up, it should first go down to create a bottom wick at least. Otherwise, this move up, candle closed bearish. Can we catch that bottom wick of 4-hour? Can we? Yeah, price can go till this point. Yeah, that's the idea. There is a very high chance. Can we take a sell? Yes, we can take a sell. Accept, and price may tap this level. Yeah. Okay, so the thing is that why I'm taking this sell. My idea is bullish. This candle has to go up, but obviously every 4-hour candle has to create a bottom wick. Like almost every candle has created a bottom wick, right? Like you can see all these previous candles, all these previous bullish candles. So if this candle has to go up, it should first go down to create a bottom wick and then go up. I'm getting my confirmation on the smaller time frame. We have a resistance forming at this area, bearish after the bullish. We have been ranked to the left, so I think there's a very high chance that it can go down. Let's see. Okay, we are pushing down right there, almost getting one by one. I think it would be good to close this trade because I don't know till which point, like from which area will the support form and price will continue pushing up, right? So I don't know. So let's just close full here and see. Okay, we are almost tapping the, okay. Oh wow, I think, oh yeah, we came down, created low, went up. Yeah, I think my idea about the 4-hour was not that accurate, but still, I made 1% on this trade somehow. Okay, that's good. If we do get a candle closure below, then see some sort of a retracement, I think there's a very high chance that we can go up. Very high chance. Oh, sorry, not go up, like go up, create resistance, then we can continue pushing down. That's the idea. Forward the candle, and this candle is breaking the low right here. I'm not going to take a sell. Even I know this candle is going to tap this, but there's also a chance a retracement is going to happen. So it would be good idea to wait for retracement. Yeah, forward. Okay, it went perfect. I could have caught this entire move, but I'm totally happy with this because I have made 1%. Let's forward, and if we get a bearish candle closing here, yeah, there's a very high chance this candle can continue pushing down till this area. Okay, yeah, it happened. Forward the candle and moving on to the next week. It's Friday, so moving on to the Saturday, 9:45. Now I don't know why it didn't start it from 8 o'clock. That's the problem. Yeah. There's some sort of a gap. Oh, it's good. We can talk about the gaps in this way. I'm gonna mark this because I don't know whether we have a bearish candle here or not. I don't know, right? What kind of structure is here. So I'm just gonna let it run and wait for the price to, create some sense, to make some sense for me to take a trade. Forward, forward. Oh, let's take a look at the 4-hour. Yeah, looking at the 4-hour, we are at a previous resistance area that we broke before. There's a gap in here, so I don't know what is going to happen. This is very unclear for me. Maybe price can go up to fill the gap. Okay, it did. Yes, it filled the gap. I'm gonna mark this as a resistance now. Okay, we are moving into NY session, and I don't trade New York session. This is the pre-NY session timing. You can check the timings right here. This is where the NY session opens, so it's almost pre-NY. I don't trade New York session. Are we gonna move down? Are we? Okay, move on to next day, Tuesday, 8 o'clock, and we are up 8 o'clock. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. Looking at the 4-hour, it's very obvious that this candle should go up. Right? Let's see, we have previous resistance, price broke above, came down, support form. Now price is going up to maybe tap these highs or maybe fill this wick, right? So I would want to see some sort of support forming on the 1-hour, and a support is forming on the 1-hour. Looking at the 4-hour, it just started, right? It just started. This is the resistance we have. I would say, yeah, if this candle has to go up, it's been just 2 minutes since this candle started, so there should be some sort of a retracement and then continuation. Okay, we'll see if this candle closes above, and if we do get our confirmation, then we'll see whether we should take a trade or not. And H1 candle closed above, it's breaking the high. H1, sorry, 30-minute candle closed above, it's breaking the high. Looking at the 4-hour, 4-hour is pushing up. 30-minute, I think we can take a trade right there. SL will go under here, and take profit will go maybe right there. Yeah, or can we get a smaller stop loss? Can we place our stop loss under this M15 candle? I think yes. Slow it down a little bit because I'm using very aggressive stops, so I will manage it if trade doesn't work. and the market, if the market gives me the chance to manage this. Okay, we are rejecting. Oh no, okay, it just shoot it to the down. That's fine. Lost one trade. I will give my trade a second chance if this candle breaks the high right there. See, that's the thing I'm missing. Yeah, I made a mistake. I should have waited for price to retrace, create support, and then I will see. Okay, if this candle comes down, create supports, then I will definitely look for buying opportunity. Let's forward the candle and support formed. Now if this candle breaks the high of this previous candle, I think there is a very high chance that the market is gonna go up, right? A very high chance, but we'll see. 10 minutes have passed. Minute candle closed bearish. If this candle breaks the high right here, I will execute my trade. Giving my bias a second chance. Slow it down because it's moving so fast. I don't know. Even 30-minute candle is gonna close in 2 minutes, 1 minute, and the candle closed bullish. Okay, looking at the 30-minute, 4-hour candle is pushing up. 1-hour candle, yeah, I think it would be a good idea to execute a buy trade right here, take profit right there, maybe there. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. Maybe 4-hour candle can go up and potentially fill this wick to the left hand side. Accept and let it run and see how the market behaves on this particular trade. Okay, we are going up. We are in $80 profit, 72, 88, 90, 94, 98. Okay, we are making one by one here, so I will close. Let's close 90% here. Set stop loss to break even and let the rest run. Yeah, I have made a mistake here. You know, I should have waited for market to create a lower wick, right? That was my problem. I just entered here and price came down, created that bottom wick on the 4-hour, and then it continued pushing up. Okay. Well, I got stopped out, but I made 1% on this trade. Forward the candle. Okay, it rejected and pushed up, tap the target. Right. Okay. Forward the candles, moving on to the next day. Wow, see that move to the, like, it was a very giant move that happened. Moving on to the next day, Wednesday, and 8 o'clock. Looking at the daily, we are rejecting. We are creating some sort of a support here, but also the previous candle rejected. We'll take a look at the 4-hour. Okay, 4-hour. On the 4-hour, we have a support forming here. We have a support formation here, so maybe this candle can wick down and then continue pushing up to retest these highs it created before. Yeah, that thing can happen. So if the market has to go up, we need to see some support formation on the 30-minute. Right. I see support formation on the 30-minute, then I will take a buy. Forward. Looking at the 4-hour, yeah, it's rejecting. This can maybe break the high right here. I think there's a very high possibility that this candle can go up. We'll see how this candle, I don't know why even on this 29 ticks per second it's still too fast. Now it's okay. It's so fast. It was a little bit more. Now it's good. This candle should break the high of this previous candle and I will execute a buy trade. Will it do it? 15-minute candle closed bullish, but we are stuck in this range, so I don't know what is going to happen. I will stick to 30 minutes because the confirmations on the 30-minute are much stronger than the confirmations on the 15-minute. So it would be ideal to stick to 30-minute or 1 hour. So 5 minutes left in this candle closure, 4 minutes left, 3 minutes left, 2 minutes left. Okay, so we have to wait for, okay, this candle closed bearish. Maybe this candle will go down furthermore to create a support and then go up. Yeah. Okay. 4 hours rejecting. Looking at the 30-minute, I would want to see some bullish candle closing here before I will think of taking a buy. Other than that, it's just waiting. Okay, we are pushing up. 15-minute candle closed bullish. But we'll wait for the 30-minute candle to close because, okay, 10 minutes left, 9 minutes left, and the candle is gonna close bullish, I guess. 5 minutes, 4 minutes left. 3, 2, 1. So the candle closed bullish. I think I'm getting my confirmation. If this candle breaks the high of this previous candle, I think there's a very high possibility that 5 minutes passed and this candle is maybe going down to create a bottom wick before continuing to push up. No, 15-minute candle closed bearish without creating a top wick. See, this candle has created no top wick. That means there's a low buying pressure or volume or whatever you call it. Okay, we are breaking above the high. Looking at the 4 hour is leaving the wick. Looking at the 1 hour, I think there's a very high chance we can push it. Yeah, let's take a buy right here. Stop loss maybe right there and take profit up over there. And let's see how this candle forms. Okay, we are pushing up. We are pushing up further. Let's take a look at M15 because I'm concerned about these rejection areas. Right? We'll see. We'll see if price reacts to those level and give me the chance to manage risk. Then I will close some percentage. Okay, we are good. We are pushing up. Very nice. $10 have passed since this candle started, and 15 candle is gonna close, and it closed with a rejection. No, okay, it's good. It's good now. If it closes here, then it's okay. It closed at these wick areas. If the size of the body of the candle, okay, if the size of the body of the candle is bigger than these wicks, that means it's not a rejection, right? But if the wick size of wick is bigger than the body, that means it's a rejection. Okay, so we are good now. We are good. Let's wait for this 30-minute candle to close and we'll see how it closes. Maybe it's coming down to create a bottom wick. By the way, it was very big bottom wick. I wasn't expecting that. 5 minutes left in this candle to close, and M30 candle is gonna close with rejection. Maybe 1 minute left. Okay, M30 candle closed. I'm gonna do one thing. If this candle has to go up, it should not break this low. But I'm gonna trail my stop loss because this candle closed with a rejection, some sort of rejection. So it would be a good idea to trail my stop loss under this candle, right? So if this breaks the low, that means the trade is not valid anymore. Accept and let it run. Goes up, perfect. If not, okay. Yeah, it stop loss hit and we didn't lost 1%. That's totally perfect. 4 hour, yeah, 4 hour candle just went down. Anyway, let's move on to, okay, now if this 4 hour candle has to go down, okay, we are in the we need to see some sort of a resistance form. But I won't execute because this is the NY session. Okay, let's play it out. Move on to next day London session. Looking at the 4 hour, it has to wick down, then tap these levels. It's bullish. We need to see some support forming on the 1 hour, on the 30 minutes. So I would want to wait for some support formation forward. Yeah. Now if the candle closes bullish, okay, support form. If this candle breaks the high of this previous candle, I will enter a buy trade. Let's speed it up a little bit. It's too slow. And will it break the high? Will it? Okay, it's breaking the high right there. Stop loss will go maybe, what? It's in 13 minutes. Yeah, it's okay if I place the stop loss right here and take profit maybe right there. Price can tap that level easily. Okay, we are pushing up. Okay, we are almost tapping the high right here. I will close, let's say, should I close 50% or 90%? Or should I hold the trade? Let's do one thing. Just let it run. Let this trade run and see how this candle closes. It's rejecting the resistance. M15 candle is gonna close in 1 minute. Okay, M15 candle closed. I will wait to see how this 30-minute candle closes, and it is pushing up. Let's take a look at 4 hour. 4 hour is pushing up. Yeah, it should go up to tap this level. Yeah. And we are Are we gonna push up? Okay, yeah, very nice. And we are gonna tap that. No. And 15 candle closed with a rejection. Maybe price is just, playing with the emotions at this point. No, it's coming down. Maybe this candle will close bearish and the next candle will continue pushing up. Yeah, candle closed bearish. Okay, we are pushing up. Okay, I'm getting almost 2% here. This candle should go up. Yeah, like looking at the daily candle, but we are at daily resistance. Yeah, that's the problem. I'm gonna do one thing because I'm making 2% here, so let's just close full right there and let's see how this. Okay, man, like it tapped the target. Okay, anyway, let's take the last trade of Friday. Moving on to, wow, see this. It just came down to make that bottom wick of the daily candle, and we had a support form here. Okay, I will make a simulation session separately on this, like how to visualize the daily candles and catch these entire moves. Right, I will definitely make a video on this because I'm now observing these things. This is gonna be our last trade of today, Friday, 8 o'clock. Looking at the 4-hour. Okay, this candle should maybe wick down, go up, retest these sides, and maybe fill this wick. So we need to see some support formation on the 30-minute before we take a buy, and I think price can tap this level to come down, create support, and then I will take a buy. Right, that's the first thing that comes into my mind. Forward, I would want to see some support there. Candle closed bullish. We have a support forming. Can I take a buy? Can I? And I think yes, I can take a buy right there. Let's take a buy right here. Take profit right there, or right here maybe. Let's see on H4. Okay, yeah, price can tap this level, so accept and let it run and see how this plays out. Okay, wow, we are pushing up with a speed. We are almost making 1 by 1, but should I stay in this trade and hold it till my take profit, as I'm already up 5%. Okay, wow, it's going so well. Very nice trade. Okay, it turned bullish. Like, see, it's all about understanding where could the 4-hour candles could go. It's just about visualization, and this thing is only gonna come if you will watch the charts for maybe more than 6 months, 7 months, 1 year, 2 years, right? It's all about experience. So let's just do one thing. First, let's check how much risk to reward I'm getting. I'm almost getting 2% right there. Yeah, 2.5%, and accept. Let's do one thing. Let's just not close any percentage set stop loss to break even. Right? If it goes up, perfect. If not, then okay, we are pushing up and we are almost tapping the target. I'm gonna close full right there. Very easy trade it was. Made okay, 24 248 or 24, I don't know, because it's just a different reading. Anyway, let's just see the trading panel. Let's see statistics, and I took 8 trades, 5 were winners, 3 were losses. Let's see whether we can profit factor. By the way, I will study all these options someday, and I will explain each and every one with details, that what does this mean, like gross profit. Okay, this is the overall $838 profit, gross loss $123, and largest profit trade was 242, largest loss trade was 102, that's the 1%, and the average profit was 167. That means my average risk to reward was 1.67 RR, right? And maximum drawdown went 106. Let's see the graph. Wow, it's amazing. History 15. Okay, closed trades. Yeah, 8 closed trades. So you can see the P&L: $263, $68, lost 65, 84, 0, 12, 97, 250. So I hope you guys learned something from this simulation session, and I tried to put in the effort and the values as much as I can in these simulation videos. So thank you so much for watching. See you all in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.